inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Cream for Easter. First add dye, sugar, and water. Next add cream cheese to make it creamy. Top with sprinkles. Scoopable. Of course. Make Peeps marshmallow. Fluff with me. First we add our clay blocks. Now we add our pink clay balls. Now add Mr. Slime Man. Rip, you will be missed. Now add bubblegum scent. Add our Peeps dust. 1, 2. Now add chicks and Easter eggs. All done. So soft and creamy. New slimes just restocked. Comes with a cute bunny charm. So fluffy. Link in bio to shop.
Here are the new slimes that I've just restocked. First is Jumbo Marshmallow Fluff. Of course, I had to make a special marshmallow slime for Easter, so here it is. It comes with a jumbo pastel marshmallow you can mix into the base. When you mix everything together, it becomes a fluffy and squishy dense butter texture that is great for sizzles and pokes. It smells like chocolate marshmallows, which is one of my favorite scents. Here is Mini Carrot Cake Bite. This is a crunchy snowfish slime that comes with the most adorable charms and sprinkles for you to decorate it with. It is scented just like the name, and once you mix everything together, it becomes a crunchy butter snowfish slime. Finally, here is Bunny Cream Tart. This is another Easter exclusive slime that comes with everything shown to make a bunny themed tart. It makes the smoothest texture once everything is mixed. It is scented just like peach tart.